Matching Charlie. How is everybody? We are going to bring on the king and the queen inside the B world. The B world minimum is 2, where one spirit must connect inside of one in order for it to have any value. The highest number is 4 times 2, 8. With that spirit, the spirit rides 3 times 3 on 3 levels. If I put out one hand here up, there is a down. If I put down one hand here down, there is an up. Therefore, from the point of center to my down is 2. This point of center to my up is 2. I got the same up and down, but on each side. What if I turn? Anyway, saying that, automatically there's 3, which is the void, 1 to my head, 1 to my foot. Knock me over and pick me up. So that's just fooling around with you, but to get a little bit more serious, the Mayans mark it like this. There's designs in carpets. Have you ever seen this? 12, 10 and 12, right? That's actually Zion. This is the R letter. This is the gold. O and R come together as gold. It's actually 201, 210. 210 is everything. Add 1 to 20, it's 210. Add 1 over to
15, 15, 20, and I'm going to show you in this design how we get electric company 220 and the rest of this a little bit later, right? You see this? It's not going straight up. It's a road that goes out, right? It comes around and goes all the way out. See, it's all the way out. Anyways, we're not coming to there. There's your 12. How do we get that? 2 times 9 is 18. The 18th letter is the R for roi. It means king. The D is the 4th letter because we need the circle in order for us to be kings. The crown's around the head, the D, and that makes us only 1/2. In fact, the D is this half forward. Not sideways to the side, back to back. D's, which way do you want to look at it? There's 4 ways, right? There's 4 ways, but when the wind blows, it comes from one way and it shoots the other way and it goes through every other way. So we have to understand the understanding. R is 12. 13 is B, B and R. The queen and the king come together. 1 times 2, 1 plus 2, 212 is 100. 10 times 10, Celsius. The C is creation. 1 times 3 creates 19. 5 and 19, 24, the cat. 5, 0, 5, 11, because we need 65. 65 and 19. 1 times 3, 1 plus 3 is 0, 7, so let's go by the low one. This becomes 0, 7. This becomes 0, 5. 5 and 7, electric company. The gateways between the two. 7 by 5 is 35. 7 and 5 is 12, 47. And that is the complete cycle of the sky, where 4 and 7 is 11. 4 by 7 is 28. That makes the sky equals to 39. 39 is the same as 63, is the same as 93, because no matter what you're going to do, they're always going to work out in numbers. Who comes into Zion? The one who rents, or the tenor, or the tenant? Any. 555. 2, 5, 5, 5, 8, and 9 are on the outside because this is a 20, 0. The circle of life is the transmission between 8 and 9, which are always together. 1 and 3 is 4. 1 and 2 is 3. The king and the queen make your DC energy come alive. Let me see if I'm going to go anywhere else in this. We did this purple sky. We did the seahorse. We did the spirit intelligence inside of Mars, 1 and 5, because 1 and 5, okay, 5 is this. It's all around. 1 is in the center. It's the passing through Venus. 2 and 2, 2 and 2, 1 and 1, and 1 and 1. Equals to 1 set where 1 gets to pass in between. The reason for 1 and 5 that comes together is because 1 is what comes and enlightens 6 because it's a halfway point. We put 1 inside 6, that makes 7. It's also 5 because this is the halfway point that receives. 1 and 5 is the same. 2, 3, 4 is in between. It's almost like saying 1, 2, 3, 4. We meet at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We meet at 5. They each side meets at 5. 5 and 1 is 6. Now I'm going to have to just show you it right here. 1, 5. And you go all the way across to here, right? But what if we're going this way? 1 down to 5 and 1 down to 5. From each end, they're each counting at 1. Where do they meet? At 3, 5, 3, 3, 5. 5, 3, 3, 5 is 1, 6, 6, 1, and that is the light. 5, 3, 3, 5. In order to get 5, you need 7. In order to get 3, you need 6. Spirit is 76, 6, 7, 7, 6. And the only way to get a 7 is with that one over there connecting to this 9 over here. No matter how I turn it, I cannot cover that center. So this is a maximum of 8, and this is a maximum of 1. How many times should I spin it around? Just 1 here, and 1 here is 2. So this one will equal 8 out of 12. Transmission, this will equal 1 out of 1. And 1 is 2, but it only equals to 1. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching.